on this one, we actually go cruising because it's running nice. How's it riding, Raiden?
Mint.
Most sold gas out? Check. A little bit of ATF in the motor? Check. Still running like shit? Check. Still got no brakes? Check. Yeah, let's hit the road. Burn her up and down the road once. Let that ATF clean some shit out, and I'll do an oil change. Hopefully run it out of gas too, because I got the jerry can in the back. I just want all this old shitty gas out. I already took a jerry can out siphoning. But, see how this goes. Just right to life. It's already running better. Like, look at that. First fucking try. Now, let's see how it goes. I put 235s on the back. Good thing, because we got a bunch of rain and it's muddy. So. Oh yeah. Hopefully no one's coming. We good. Oh, that didn't last long. Apparently it doesn't like hard on the throttle. So we won't do that no more. But she cruises nice. Loud as fuck, but that's the best part. It's got all the gears, you hear that? We're already in third. Whoop whoop. This thing would make him in daily. Well, that just about killed it. Tried to do a donut. Woo. We'll just get her back to the yard now, I think. I'm not sure if I'm almost out of gas or if it's just running like shit again, but I like just barely made her back here. Too busy trying to keep it running to record, but I'm thinking it's just running like shit though. Yeah, well, it's time for an oil change. I know my phone doesn't record how like ear blistering this is, but yeah, it's fucking loud. Well, I don't think this will be any worse than the truck sitting beside it. I'll attach a video of it when I dump the oil out of it. But let's see what this one looks like. This is the first time I've dropped the oil, so. Oh yeah. That looks good. Especially seeing as my hand's barely oily, it's just mainly wet. Maybe I should have done this first. Meh. I love how they put that fucking bar there, so the oil just spits straight on it. So. But I'll finish this up. I don't think you guys care about watching this. Maybe I'll dump this oil into some clear jugs and let her sit for a couple days and just see. Because yeah, that looks not so great. Well, I got the oil change done. I even put the fucking air cleaner back on. Look at me go. So, fire it up. Let it run for a minute. I'll start it, then open the garage door. Look at that. Oh! God, I love this thing. Damn, that sounds good. Well, I'm gonna take her for one more cruise before the wife gets home. Maybe this time I'll run it out of gas. Who would have thought when I want to run out of gas, it don't want to happen. But it's sounding a lot better right now. I can't even turn right now. Oh, there we turn. The one headlight's in sideways for some freaking reason, so it shines up and down, not. Damn, this thing drives so nice. And actually running so much better now that it's got an air filter on it. And I think we're almost out of the shitty gas. Almost. But I'll catch back up to you guys in a bit here. Just gonna take her up and down the road, snap some photos, then take her back home. I got just enough brakes to stop me, so life is good.